On the road again, tripping. How's it, Rolling Stoners? I'm still in Plettenberg Bay at one of the landmarks down here. Have a look. Dank Street Cannabis Club, Manta Ray Vape Shop. Coming in to give you guys the squiz. This is a very special store for many reasons. Besides the cannabis industry, Wes is a collectible seller, fan, signed Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, all this really cool stuff. Pops these guys, sells a handful of them. UFC knockoff. The gloves. This is the full lineup of signed cards of last year's Formula One. I think the first two rows. And then it goes on and on and on and on. Cannabis and collectibles, who would have thought? That's innovation right there. There's something really special I'll lead up to.
Right, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Thanks, Wes.
I'll see you in 5.
Cool. Dank Street, beautiful. Comics, isn't this rad? Some beautiful design. I'm sorry about the shine on the screens, but it's all I can do. And then the sticker wall. I always love sticker walls. It's just been a beautiful thing all my life. Caitlin, how's it? Cool, and you? And then last but not least, which is the most special one, is signed number plate by Cheech and Chongs. They're the two legends. So I'm impressed. The innovation's rad. You can't miss it. It's on the main circle where the dolphins are on Plet, as you're going down towards Beacon Island Hotel. Follow us, don't follow us, but roll with us. Have a beautiful day, guys. Keep rolling.